Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's
Hola.
James. Hola.
Hola.
James, do you have something to say?
Yeah, we're going to pick up a bike that doesn't run and is possibly could be stolen.
Stolen.
But yeah, no guts, no glory. Let's see what happens.
It's not for me. I'm not
Yeah,
paying.
it's me
I'm
this
not paying
time.
for this.
I'm wasting my money for once.
Yeah. All right, so yeah, we're going for a little trip, picking up a bike for James. That's gonna be his first
Yeah.
custom project. And it's gonna be a big pain in the ass for me. So let's see how this turns out. See ya.
Oh shit, now it's recording. I'm gentle. I'm a gentle snowflake.
GPS signal lost.
GPS signal lost. No, fuck me.
Piece of shit.
Next one. No, we just missed our turn off. So we're like.
How far?
15 minutes away.
Woo!
15 minutes away from the stolen DR.
Oh yeah, that's a DR
It's
650.
a DR 650, yeah.
Yay!
Yoo!
Already got 3 of them. It's gonna
Yeah,
be
if you've
first one for James.
seen any of Bruce's channels, he rode one in winter,
Yeah.
and then he sold it and bought a supermoto one, and then sold that. And then, for some reason, now I'm buying one.
It's funny because everyone always made fun about my DR 650s because they're always shit and it's just impossible to start. But no, James is buying one. Also an old one.
Also an old one, and it's a Kickstarter, which is great for my knee that I had reconstructed. So,
I'm gonna laugh
we
about
got
him.
we got big plans with it, which we won't reveal just yet. But
We'll talk about it once we have the bike.
We'll talk about once we have the bike.
Oh, this big radar.
Speed camera.
See ya.
Bye.
All right, we're back at the shop. Check this out. Da-da-da. Pretty awesome DR 650 Dakar. It's awesome. Look at that. James is taking some little pictures for before and after. What do you think? Are you happy?
I think it's cool, man. I don't know. Now I'm stuck. Do we modify it or just make it look badass as it is?
It's actually crazy. Like to look at it like this. I don't know. Like it's really, yeah. The plan is really like to make a vintage supermoto out of this thing. To just strip it down completely and get rid of the big tank and seat and fairings and all of that. Lower it a bit. Supermoto wheels on it. Just as simple as possible. But it does look really bad. It's almost a shame.
Mm.
But yeah. So yeah, what's the story behind that bike? James, you want to say something?
We were looking for, I don't know, I wanted to do a build, and we've been talking for ages about vintage supermoto, and the DR650 has such a good basis for it, and there's so many parts online, and you can do so much cool stuff with it. And then we just found this online for like 900 euros. It doesn't work because it's been sitting for 10 years, but we think we clean the carbs, put some new gas in, this should jump. The engine looks tidy, it looks pretty tidy.
Got some spark.
Got some spark, got some
Engine.
compression.
Yeah.
So we thought, yeah, that's cool. We
That's
thought
a
we'd
good
just get it
base.
and chop it up and modify it, but
Yeah.
now, like Bruce said, it looks cool.
It looks cool, yeah. Yeah, it's pretty clean. Check this out. It's pretty nice. All pretty cool. 18,000 kilometers. Yeah. That's cool. Alright, so it's pretty late. Still the middle of the week, so maybe we should not stay super long. Maybe should we start to try it? Should we start to try it? Should we try to start it? Maybe we can quickly try. Alright, we just changed our mind about trying to start it. The idea was to spray something in the airbox, like straight in the cup, to see if she would start. But now I wanted to take the air filter out, and I think it's a little bit
Past its
old.
use by, yeah.
I've never seen this before. Alright, so now there's so many pieces in there, so there's no way to. We're not gonna try to start this. It's all gonna get soaked. So that's it. Good night.